What are the phases of glycolysis? Glycolysis is divided into two main phases. An energy-consuming phase, the investment phase, and an energy-producing phase, the payoff phase. Number 1. The investment phase. This is the energy-consuming phase of glycolysis. This phase involves the first 5 steps of glycolysis. It uses 2 ATP molecules to phosphorylate glucose. The goal is to convert glucose into a more reactive form, ultimately splitting it into 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Number 2. The payoff phase. This is the energy-producing phase of glycolysis. This phase consists of the remaining 5 steps of glycolysis. It involves the oxidation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, resulting in the generation of 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH per glucose molecule. So the total energy is produced in the form of 4 ATP and 2 NADH. The overall net gain of ATP from glycolysis is 2 molecules of ATP per glucose.